Welcome back to our channel, where we explore natural remedies for various health conditions. Today, we're going to discuss some effective home remedies for managing diabetes. If you or a loved one are living with diabetes, these remedies may help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before trying any new treatments. Let's dive right in. Balanced diet. One of the crucial aspects of managing diabetes is maintaining a balanced diet. Here are a few dietary tips to help regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber-rich foods. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes in your meals. These are high in fiber, which slows down digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. This can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Low glycemic index, GI, foods. Choose foods with a low glycemic index, such as whole grains, nuts, and non-starchy vegetables. These foods have a slower impact on blood sugar levels. Herbal remedies. Alongside a balanced diet, certain herbs have been found to have positive effects on diabetes management. Here are a few herbal remedies you can consider. Cinnamon. Studies suggest that cinnamon may help lower blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon to your meals or sprinkle it on your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are known to have anti-diabetic properties. Soak a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in water overnight, then drink the water and consume the softened seeds on an empty stomach in the morning. Indian gooseberry, amla. Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can aid in managing blood sugar levels. You can consume it raw, drink amla juice, or use powdered amla in your diet. Physical activity. Regular physical activity is crucial for managing diabetes. It helps improve insulin sensitivity and promotes overall well-being. Here are a few exercise suggestions. Aerobic exercises. Engage in activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing for at least 30 minutes a day. This helps lower blood sugar levels and improves cardiovascular health. Strength training. Incorporate resistance exercises using weights or resistance bands to build muscle strength. This can help increase insulin sensitivity and manage blood sugar levels effectively. Stress management. Stress can impact blood sugar levels, so it's important to manage it effectively. Here are a few stress relief techniques. Meditation and deep breathing. Practice mindfulness meditation and deep breathing exercises to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Engage in hobbies. Pursue activities you enjoy, such as reading, painting, gardening, or listening to music. These hobbies can help divert your mind from stressors. Remember, while these home remedies may help manage diabetes, they should not replace professional medical advice. It's essential to work closely with your healthcare provider to develop a comprehensive treatment plan. By incorporating a balanced diet, herbal remedies, regular exercise, and stress management techniques into your lifestyle, you can take control of your health and live a fulfilling life with diabetes. Thank you for watching today's video on home remedies for diabetes. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Stay tuned to our channel for more natural health tips. Take care and be well. Thanks for watching.